Sometimes fake news sites make up celebrity quotes, knowing that they can get a lot of clicks and make a lot of money by luring people to their site with these quotes. On this episode of Unfakery Basics, did that celebrity really say that? Lately, we've seen celebrity quotes popping up all over the place, so we're going to take a look at a few of them. Just for examples, Jennifer Aniston: "Me and all the Trump supporter celebrities decide to make a pro-Trump company named Celebrities for Trump, which fight against all anti-Trump celebrities. I think President Trump needs our support. Do you support her?" Okay, let's move on to the next one. Denzel Washington, who is reported to have called Obama the criminal in chief who tore the heart out of America. Another one, Sandra Bullock saying to Hillary Clinton, "If you don't like our president, you can leave and never come back again. You are one jealous woman who is nothing to compare with Trump. Do you support her?" That question again. Well, one of the things that you probably should do when you're looking at a celebrity quote is disbelieve it immediately, and then make the people who shared it prove that they said it. Instead of just tossing out these quotes and hoping they stick, make sure somebody has actually got one that they can prove. Let's look at this one Dylan sent us. Actress Sandra Bullock says, "Donald Trump is the best of the best. No one would do all this effort for our nation. Thank you, Mr. President." And again, the question, do you support her? Well, it's got some awkward construction, which most of these fake quotes have, but let's see if we can find proof she said it. We're going to go to Google. We're going to put the quote in. First thing that comes up is Snopes, a fact-check site, but it's debunking the Hillary quote from the prior quote of Sandra Bullock that we talked about. So we'll keep going. WWTA News. Maybe that's a legitimate organization. They might have some more supporting evidence. Here's the quote. Here's her picture. But there's no body. There's no citation. There's no context. Nothing that helps you determine whether she said it or not. But there are comments here of people who believe it based just on the quote. Yes, thank you, Sandra. Yes, I support her for sure. So let's look for another place. U.S. Deplorables News. Let's look at that one. Let's see. We've got the same quote here. And no citation, no backup, nothing to show where it comes from. So this is just a quote that's out there on the internet on random pages. We can't find proof that she's actually said it. And there's no debunking on it, so it might be that those debunker pages haven't got to it yet. But again, they can't prove that she did say it. And it's really not hard to take these words and search them in a search engine for a few minutes and see what you get. And it infuriates me that they put fake quotes out there like this. You don't get to put words in other people's mouths. It's a lie and it's dangerous. So make sure when you see a celebrity quote that you verify that with multiple legitimate sources, not fake news clone networks like we just saw. That will help cut down a lot on some of the fake news that's going around. If you found this video helpful, be sure and share and spread the word about Unfakery.